Okay, the way that we get into your widgets on the right hand side, so what we're going to do is demonstrate how to remove one of these panels and add in a new panel. I have two colored panels, and eventually you will be replacing these with the panels that you create that will be a graphic design of some kind and linking to a blog post. So what we do is we'll go into the dashboard and then we go into widgets, and here you will see a sidebar widget area, and there's many different ones. So what we do is we add another text field. So we click onto add here on the left, and that then creates a new widget text. So what I'm going to do is just go back to the widgets page again, and I'll click onto this one here and copy this code. So we'll go back to the tab where we have the empty widget text. I'll copy that code in, and just before I save that widget, I'm going to go to the site and upload a panel that I have sitting on the desktop. So if I go to Migration Planning Program and Edit Page and Add Media, this is how I do it. You can also go on the left vertical sidebar as well. Upload file, select file, and on my desktop I have Migration Student 3 to add in panel 3. So I open that and I choose that image, and I will call it Migration Agent Sydney 3. And it's important it has its own unique name so it doesn't conflict with other images, because that will then just affect the workings in the site. So we'll go to Edit Image, and it will bring us to this page. This file URL here is the one we have to copy, so we go Command A, Command C, that's what I do on my Apple Mac. We'll go back to the new widget that we're forming here. So I will go to the HTTP right through to .jpeg within the inverted commas, delete that and paste in the new name, image name, and that will then save that widget. Now, to have this image panel link to a post, you will then replace the HTTP dot to the blog post that you set up. So you replace that hashtag with the URL of the new blog post that you link, and that will then allow the image to be linked. So I'll go down here, I'll go select, and this is now text widget 21, and save widget. Okay, so we'll see down here when you edit it, the information's here and it's got migration-student 3 JPEG, and you know that's the right widget that we're working with. So what we do now is I'll email this URL to you. It's called slayer_custom_widgets.php. It takes you to this page. What you do is you go to a side, you scroll all the way down, and you'll see text in blue as opposed to being red. We'll click onto text, and then Pages, Edit, and Migration Planning is the one that we want to choose. Add Selection, and it's already selected there, which is great. So what I'll do is I'll just go back to the widget area. So let me just go back to the URL. I'm very visual, so I like to work up on the top. Go to widgets. We know this is widget 21, and we'll go to that widget area that I've mentioned. I'll just grab the URL again. Now that we are back on this page, we scroll down, we go to the custom widget area aside. I'll click onto text and then edit pages, and then I'll choose the page that I want the text widget 21 to go, which is this one. Add selected pages so it appears on the left, and it's done. So if we go back to the website and migration planning, and we scroll down, you will now see the orange panel added in. So what I want to do is remove 2 of these panels as they're not relevant to this page. So we'll just go back into I'll just go back to the site. We'll go back to the widget area, and I'd say text up here is Marketing Internships 3. Great. I'll just open up a new tab, and I'll go back to that URL that I would have emailed you by now. That takes me to slayercustomwidgets.com, and I'll go into text, edit, and here we'll find that's one of the image widgets. Migration planning program's been removed from that one, so I'll go back and back again. I'll go to the next text image and go to edit, and we'll find here that another one of those graphic images is selected, so I'll deselect it here in migration planning and remove it from there. Okay, so that's done. So if we go to student support student visa application page, and refresh it, we'll find now that there is 1, 2, 3, 4 widgets left there. And I'll go back again to that one, and back again, and then I'll go to this third text image here, edit, and I'll deselect migration planning and remove it from here as well. And if we go back to the migration planning page and refresh it, you'll find now that there are 3 images left, and that's how easy it is to remove those panels that are existing and how to add in these new panels. So that's how you manage the widgets for all these pages: student internship, coaching and mentoring, internal International Student Assistance and Migration Planning Program. I hope you found it useful, and be sure to visit my website on webdesigninsydney.com, and we'll be happy to help you with any further website guidance or updates, upgrades, search engine optimization or new websites. Just give us a call in Sydney, 02 95696580, and all of us at webdesigninsydney.com will be happy to help you.